Get an Airbnb and get more space.
That was the worst thing I've ever done in my life. Look how happy he is. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Well, the test drive didn't last so long. Oh, welcome back
What's up, brother?
to another YouTube video.
What's up, brother?
Today, we're working on the Pomelo Yellow GTI again. We are going to be installing this brand new downpipe. So yeah, we're gonna have two catless cars now. The GTI outside is catless. This thing is about to be catless.
This is only for off-road use.
This is only for off-road. This is totally legal.
And then if you see this car on the road, we put the stock one back on. Just know that.
Totally. But we'll put it on this CTS catless downpipe. We've never put in, nor have we ever taken out a downpipe before. We already ran into our first issue and we're not even 3 minutes into the job. The O2 sensor isn't coming out.
It's probably seized on here.
That shit is seized on and everything. Alrighty, the GTI is up on stands. We got just the front up. All we need is the front. It's probably about maybe 1.5 feet off the ground. Should give us enough leverage room. We got the bolt off for the top of the downpipe. Now we're gonna go underneath and see what's cracking down there. But yeah, as you can see right here, clamp up here is pretty much off. So that's good to go. Bro, this guy with his broken hand. Look at that.
Well, that's what you're doing most of the work now.
Damn right. Ike. Let me go under the car and see what I can do, because I'm the master mechanic. This guy's just the fucking laborer. I don't think this is OSHA certified. What you doing?
OSHA.
Bro, come on, bro. Find it. Alright, we're under the car right now. And that bolt that you're looking at right now is the bolt that holds like the center of the downpipe basically to the car. Along with the main downpipe hanger right there. Alright, this is the current update. The downpipe is completely undone. However, it keeps getting like caught and tangled on stuff because of this fat ass catalytic converter that Volkswagen decided to put in it. But yeah, we're just kind of trying to wiggle it around. And we'll eventually get it out, and then we'll update you guys when we get it out. And then it's time to put on this bad boy right here.
Big Bertha. Danny.
Yeah.
We finally got it out, huh?
3 hours later, bro.
Honestly,
I think it's genuinely been 3 hours.
it's been 3 hours.
My God, bro.
How do you feel? Would you do this again?
Never again am I touching a MK8 GTI ever in my life again.
Well, good thing this is the last thing you have to do.
Get an Airbnb and get more space.
That was the worst thing I've ever done in my life. 10 out of 10 would definitely not recommend ever to anybody. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy.
I would.
My hands, I can't feel my hands.
My hands are blending in with the air compressor.
Look at that shit.
Catless downpipe now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. After that very, very dreadful uninstall of this garbage downpipe, that was the worst experience of my life. But anyways, here's the difference.
I wasn't much help.
But yeah, because you're useless and crippled. Bro, look at this, bro. Like, come on, bro. Can't feel my fingers. But here's the difference between the catless downpipe and the catted downpipe. So, time to put this one on now.
Okay.
I feel like we should have put that down.
Downpipe is almost complete. What'd you say?
Nothing.
Let's see what he's doing. Ugh. Ow. Guys, you know, it's pretty nice when somebody's working for you.
Oh, yeah, I bet it is. There's another job well done. Hold on. I gotta show them the CTS Turbo. Shout out to CTS Turbo. Got the catless downpipe in. That's the final. Hood shut. Hurry up. Get this fucking car out of here right now. This car was that was so painful to do. This fucking piece of shit. Yo, get that. You're selling this. You're selling this garbage downpipe. That's another project done. Now this car is basically completely bolt-ons now. It has intercooler.
Basically, it is.
It has intercooler. It has downpipe. It has intake. Now, I mean, it's not fully It's not fully FBO yet because now it just needs a tune. Sounds good, bro. It definitely smells. That's what's up. Sounds lit. Honestly, I don't know if you guys can see me. Yo! This shit is, yo, it actually sounds really good. I don't know if it's as loud as mine. I don't know if it's as loud as mine, but it definitely, oh, right. It definitely sounds really good. This guy loves every single tunnel now. Look how happy he is. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. It definitely sounds good. Just imagine when it's tuned with fucking extreme snap crackle pops, bro. It's gonna be crazy. You're definitely doing it for a little bit. You definitely are. We need extreme crack bubble too. Damn!
Oh my god!
It actually sounds good, bro. Well, the test drive didn't last so long. Yep. Just like that, we got the hazards on the side of the road. Because Mr. Buddy over here,
I couldn't tighten it all the way. It was hand tight.
he had one job to do. I literally let him do one thing. And there's a shield down there. He says, hand tight is enough. That's what he says.
Well, when I broke it off, hand tight was enough.
He said hand tight was enough. That's what he said. And now we're on the side of the road with our hazards on because that thing is falling. So good luck with that, buddy. Yep.
Only way I know is to lift up the car and yank that bitch out.
You have to get the jack the damn car up at fucking, where's my phone, bro? It's like 12:30 in the morning. And we are in the middle of nowhere. In the legit middle of nowhere. And this guy wants to go ahead and, yep. Yeah, now look how stupid he looks. Look how stupid he looks getting the jack. Yep, spin it. Spin it quicker. You're so useless. No way you're telling me to be useful. Because just because you didn't want to fucking...
Can you put the light down, you fucking bitch?
I am!
They're not low enough!
Alright, there you go. Damn, stop yelling at me. You're the one that caused this.
Yeah, I did. And what?
So buns, bro. Got it out. He got it out. This little piece of shit is basically like a heat, not a heat shield, but just to like protect the axle rubber thingy. All of that because of this one little shield thing. Damn, that shit took some damage, low key. What the hell? Well, isn't this a sight to see? A brand new car on the side of the road. Alright, but your back hurts, right?
No, my wrist hurts and my ass is down. There's no free shows over here, bud.
All right. What you doing there, bud?
The loud ass fucking pops. So, bow!
A little bit too hard. I popped the exhaust tip off. Not on this side, but on this side.
I don't know why.
So.